Today, Assam Cabinet has also passed Uniform Civil Code. We customize that to the requirement of Assam. We have completely exempted tribal population from the purview of Uniform Civil Codes. We have also kept all rituals, traditions, customs practiced by the people of Assam outside the scope of Uniform Civil Code. So customs, rituals, traditions, those will not be part of the Uniform Civil Code. The UCC bill will be laid before the Assembly on 26th of May. So this is one of the major decisions we have adopted in our today's cabinet. This is in sync with the election commitment we have made during the last election. Basically, UCC will deal with the succession, marriage, live-in relationship, and compulsory registration of marriage, including divorce. So it will be almost in sync with Gujarat, Uttaranchal, and Goa. However, we have completely exempted tribal population and customs, rituals, tradition, because in Assam we have different community, we have different customs. So all these will be outside the scope of UCC.